I have installed the Yakuza 0 Director's Cut. When I try to launch the game, it shows black screen. To fix this problem, close the game, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Go back to Game folder, open Runtime, Media, Data, and Sound PAR. Open the folder, right click on the sound underscore en and copy, paste it in same location. Check my video description for this text used in my video. Copy the text, right click and rename this copy. Paste the text we copied and press enter. Launch the game. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.